Today, I'll show you how to create a new lead stage in Salesforce. Whether you're looking to customize your sales pipeline or simply organize your leads more effectively, adding a new lead stage can help you tailor Salesforce to better fit your business needs. Let's dive into the process together. First, you need to navigate to Setup in Salesforce. You can find this by looking for the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Salesforce dashboard. Clicking on this icon will open up the Setup menu, which is the gateway to customizing many aspects of your Salesforce environment. Once you're in Setup, you'll want to direct your attention to the Object Manager tab at the top. This tab is crucial because it allows you to manage different standard and custom objects within Salesforce. Next, you'll need to locate the lead object. This step is important because it's where you'll be making modifications to the lead stages. In the Object Manager, you'll see a list of various objects. Scroll through until you find Lead and then select it. This will take you to the Lead Objects Settings page, where you can manage fields, relationships, and other configurations. Now that you're in the Lead Object Settings, look to the left-hand menu and click on Fields and Relationships. This section is where you'll define the data fields associated with the lead object, including the status of your leads. It's a central hub for managing how information is categorized and displayed in Salesforce. Within the Fields and Relationships section, you'll want to search for Lead Status. This is the field that determines the different stages a lead can be in within your sales pipeline. Click on Lead Status to open its configuration page. This will provide you with the options to view and edit the existing lead stages. Once you're on the Lead Status page, scroll down until you reach the Lead Status Pick List Values section. This is where all the current lead stages are listed. To add a new lead stage, you'll need to click on the New button. This action will open up a form where you can enter the details of your new lead stage. In the form, you'll see a field labeled Stage Name. This is where you'll input the name of your new lead stage. Think about what makes sense for your sales process. For example, you might choose something like Nurturing or Meeting Scheduled. The name should be descriptive enough to convey the purpose of this stage in your pipeline clearly. After you've entered a name for your new lead stage, take a moment to review everything. Accuracy is key here, as this new stage will become a part of your sales process. Once you're satisfied with the name and any other settings you might want to adjust, go ahead and click Save. This final step will ensure that your new lead stage is officially added to the Salesforce system. Congratulations! You've successfully created a new lead stage in Salesforce. By following these steps, you've expanded the versatility of your lead management process, allowing for more personalized and effective tracking of your sales pipeline. Remember, customizing your lead stages can help you better align your Salesforce setup with your business goals, so feel free to revisit and refine these stages as your needs evolve. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.